Today, the plan is that I would do a recreation of my Northern Lights look that I did back in, I guess, like 2016 or 2017 when I first started doing makeup. This is the finished look. I hope you like it, guys. Kind of like a bit of a spin-off of like a look I did a long time ago that I wanted to recreate, and somehow I've managed to like go off course quite a bit. Oh my god, no. This is gonna be bad. This is gonna be so bad. No, they shattered. Sadgy. A little bit smashed, but F's in the chat. Very expensive, very broken. Oh well. That was like the worst palette to fall as well. Like, that was the one palette that should never ever fall. Because the colors are too fragile to hit the floor and survive. That one there is my favorite color in the world, and it broke. You want to see the other one? Get back in your bag. Get back in your bag. Guys, I love you all. Thank you very much for tuning in. I'll finish. But that's the look. I hope that you liked it. See you later, loves.